next day.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Our yummy recipe for today is Pawa. Pawa is a delicacy that originates from Piat Cagayan Valley. It is made of steamed sticky rice buns and filled with sweetened peanuts. My recipe, the fillings is not only sweetened peanuts. I also added Char Chinese pork barbecue. I also tried to add some flavorings on the sticky dough, like the Purple Yam for the pork barbecue filling and Pandan extract for the peanut fillings. Let's start by making the sticky dough. Add the salt to the glutinous rice flour, followed by adding the peanut oil. Then gradually add the water. Until it forms a sticky dough. I prepare 1.5 cup of water. There's a half cup of water left. I already sliced the pork barbecue into small pieces. Then to the peanut fillings, add the muscovado sugar to the pounded peanuts. Mix well until totally combined. I use a tablespoon of the sticky dough to fill with the peanut fillings and also a tablespoon for the pork barbecue fillings. Then I use a bigger spoon, 2 tablespoons, for the combination of pork barbecue and peanut fillings. Do this with all the sticky dough. Here's the pawa with peanut fillings with individual round banana leaves like the one selling near Piat Church. Then for the barbecue fillings and the combination of fillings, I put line with the bigger round banana leaves like how they serve to the Chinese guests during ancient times. I also tried to put flavorings on the sticky dough on some of my pawa. For the pork barbecue, I use purple yam, and for the peanut fillings, I use Pandan flavorings. Let's steam the pawa by boiling first the water on the pot before putting the pawa. When the water is boiling, put the pawa to steam. I cook the bigger pawa in 25 minutes and to the small pawa, I only cook 13 minutes until it becomes translucent and shiny. Let me taste. Tastes good.
Happy New Year!
Thanks for watching.